We've been eating here a lot.
No, we haven't. It's only second time. 2.5 days.
2.5. Counting the days.
Not much we can do about that.
Well, I mean, it's called wash it.
Here.
Ooh, got a light in here.
There's these. There's something that lights up the entire underneath of it.
Yeah, that looks
Same
pretty
with-
cool.
Sorry. I didn't do it back here, but his plan is, because he's got to re-weld, because it used to have fenders all the way across, but the brackets broke. He's going to take brackets, run them all the way along, and then put lights in them. So it'll pretty much, all of this will fucking just...
I mean, it will, but if the lights are all covered in mud, they won't really shine that
it's
good.
just for truck washes, or truck shows.
Oh, what am I doing? You switched my camera around to face that way. What the hell? I'm sitting here taking videos of the truck and I'm facing my face. Like, I don't know how to...
Facing the face.
Facing my face.
Facing the face.
I'm tired. I drove 900 miles yesterday.
Thank you.
Welks. You just gotta connect the two red wires together and touch the frame.
I don't know. What's this one?
Hey, guess what? Thanks for dinner. I'm going to do laundry.
There, Bubba.
What time? 8:30?
Yeah, meeting at 8:30.
So 8:30. See you at 9. Night, boys.
Night.
All right. Time to go do laundry. Pick my car up a little bit. I'm exhausted. I drove, I don't know how many hundreds of miles, but it was lots of hundreds yesterday to get here. Lots and lots of hundreds. So that was dinner, and yeah, back to the Holiday Inn and get my laundry done so I can get by another week till I get home. what always ends up happening when I'm with Jake. It's just hanging out on the trailer on the side of the road. At least we're in a truck stop this
we're not on
time.
the side of the road this time.
At least we're in a pissy truck stop, right? Not on a...
Dude, this is one of the better ones.
Yeah, it actually doesn't stink too bad here.
This is one of the better ones. Then again, it's not summertime, it's still cold out, so you can't smell all the fumes.
Yeah. This is where we've made it, which is nowhere. Good thing we got started early on Sunday so we could get this week done. Camera action. So what are we doing today, Jake? Where are we going?
So we're gonna hang out and
Hang out here?
give each other.
Why do you? That's useless. I can't put that. Try again. So what are we doing today, Jake? Where are we getting to?
To your mama's house.
Stuff.
We're not going anywhere. We're sitting right here and we're gonna have fun and we're gonna not do anything.
What is this, Clint?
Fucking hurry up and wait is what it is.
Yes. It's bullshit. That's what it is. If you wait long enough, you can cuss in the videos. You just can't cuss in the first 60 seconds. I had to Google all this because I realized I work with truckers. There's a lot of cussing.
Then, if I can't say it, then I'll just display it.
Ah, yes. I love it. It's that edition.
Yep.
He's got it on both sides.
They're going over what we believe the route is going to be, but not actually.
That's why I'm gonna laugh if it's all interstate. Get the permit in.
We got permits yet?
Nope.
Yeah, they just came in.
Lies.
Virginia though? Virginia.
I heard last year Tennessee was really bad on
Like a
permits. Yeah, a week, 10 days. I've never sat down there, but that's usually because they ordered it 10 days ahead of time.
Virginia can be assholes because I was on 81 and the truck was overweight. They said that he was on the wrong route even though he was on his permit. They made him unhook and come back Monday. It was weird because you have to go underneath the highway to go show your paperwork. You show it on a camera, then you walk underneath to the other side of the interstate.
Really?
Yeah. I think it was Winchester or somewhere on 81 like a couple years ago.
It's Virginia. They do things how they want
When
to
I
down
made a
there.
U-turn, the guy's like, you make a U-turn again in my parking lot, I'm gonna write you up. Pricks.
A fucking U-turn in a parking lot?
Yeah.
Powerhouse.
I'd be like, fuck
Power
you.
trip.
This is public property right here.
Oh, yeah,
I'm not
I-
on the interstate.
Well, I made a U-turn because I didn't know how
He
to
wouldn't
do
say that.
my paperwork. You
No
know?
balls.
Come on.
No balls. Oh man. Need some food in my belly. We moving today?
Yes, we are, Daddy.
How many days have we been here?
Too many.
Too many. Too many plus 2.
Too many plus 2.
Some people have been sleeping for 3 days.
I can't
Yeah.
tell you. It might have been illegal.
Jesus Christ.
So Ryan, me, Cody, then Alex will take up my case. We got Clint as friends.
Yeah, and then we'll communicate on blocking intersections,
Okay.
and then we'll go from there. Obviously, use your discretion on safety.
Yeah, oh
You guys
yeah.
are rolling through and it's not safe, you're driving a vehicle.
Oh! God. Who wants to be behind me? I have a special request.
Don't run
Don't run into them.
Don't run into me.